Hey, I'm Shrishti from Bihar, India. I've graduated as a computer science from Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. My career has been very interesting as I've worked as a web developer and as a business technology associate. I worked as a web developer for almost 1 year on C Sharp ASP.NET framework for automating the entire agriculture industry for a client based out in Nigeria. We worked on various technologies using C Sharp and ASP.NET framework to automate the agriculture industry, and I worked on various modules ranging from payroll to reports. It helped to manage the large data, improve the processing of tasks leading to greater output, save staffing, and to help improve the malpractices, and which almost resulted in 14% efficiency and also resulted in 1.2 million saving. While my college life polished my quantitative and analytical skills, my work experience have built me through as a professional with technical expertise. I've worked at IT Delhi, Amity Software, and right now I'm working at ZS Associates as a business technology associate. However, I have empowered myself with superior exposure to principles of management and the use of operation research tools in enhancing productivity. Beyond the professional realms, I have also worked with the international organization Medical Sans Frontier, where I was able to create an impact in society using my technical expertise. Moreover, my philanthropic initiative in the industry opened my eyes as for the requirement of the global healthcare industry and the role of technology in it, and how much of technology can play a big role in this progress and development. Often at times, workspace demands us to optimize our efficiency. At that point of time, we have no other option but to be efficient every single moment and leverage our skills to our best. There was one situation when I was working for a project for a pharma client at ZS Associates, where I could recall that when my team and I encountered an issue where actually we had an issue with the naming convention of the bucket structure of the of the services, that is Amazon Web Services, that we were using to get data from the vendors, and our client at the onset did not tell us to make the change, but only after the L1 build he told us to make the change. Though the change seemed very simple at the onset, but it was very cumbersome, and to incorporate those changes required a lot of time and effort. These changes, however, seemed simple but led to a series of changes that we had to do that had to be done immediately. With almost nil bandwidth and no extra time, and no extra time that I could have dedicated, I took up this work to prove my mettle and to test my level of stretch. I prioritized my work by making a list of tasks which were pending. Completing tasks on the list one by one, I remained focused, positive, and tried not to lose my calm. I actually had to stretch myself at times. I had to work on weekdays, weekends, and I had to work extra on weekdays to actually complete that work. However, I had full faith on my potential that I could stretch myself. So I did do that, and I completed it with utmost accuracy and efficiency as well. I'm confident that such pressure tests have prepared me for the challenging MEM course at Dartmouth. As a multitasker, I'm sure I can excel in my field of interest academically, but also take up internships and student organization activities to make the most of my time as a student on campus. My aim in life is to start an enterprise in healthcare industry vertical, which is supported by the backbone of technology. I believe that a graduate course in engineering management will prepare me well for this journey. Through the multidisciplinary curriculum at Dartmouth and brilliant faculty members, I hope to learn how to plan, design, and implement complex technical management systems. Moreover, I'm excited to join hands with like minded peers and delve into a rich network of leaders, professional, and industry experts on campus as a student of Dartmouth. Thank you.